Hello, this is Susan Poss, and this is a problem that came out of section 10.1 on the square root method that one of my students sent in, and so I'm going to work through it with you. You can see on the left-hand side the base is isolated with the exponent 2. There is no coefficient out here in front, so we don't have to worry about dividing through by anything. We can just start immediately and take the square root of each side. So let me begin by taking the square root of the binomial in parentheses squared, and then remember we need both the positive and negative square root of the 27 to account for the two answers we expect on this second degree equation. All right, so as I take the square root on the left-hand side, that gives me the binomial 3y minus 27. Notice that the squared is gone now. And I'm going to break apart this 27 into 9 times 3, because 9 is a perfect square, and I will be able to simplify the radical. Let me go ahead and do that. So the 3 will come out from under the radical, and this 3 that cannot be simplified there will stay under the radical. All right, so it looks like the next thing I need to do is to add 27 to both sides. And then the last thing I need to do is to take each term and divide it by 3. Now remember, we've talked about how when you work with radicals, you don't go up underneath the radical and divide or cancel out or anything like that. You only work on the number that sits out in front of the radical that's not up under the square root symbol. And of course, I'm also going to work with this 27 and 3 out here. All right, so canceling out these 3's, I've isolated y. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And of course, these 3's are going to cancel out, and I will be left here with the square root of 3. So it looks to me like one of the answers is 9 plus the square root of 3, and the other answer is 9 minus the square root of 3. I hope that helps, Angela. If not, write to me again.